What's up, Glow fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing in color, and I'm going to show you how I made my Pride inspired Shea Body Butter. If you want more in-depth details about the measurements and butters that I use, I will link my previous videos in the description box below, as well as in the upper right hand corner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the glow up. I will be using mica to color my Shea Butter today, and I did get it from Amazon. This mica is safe for external cosmetic use. I tried to choose the colors that closely matched the Pride color flag. However, I was limited in the choices that came in the pack. And as you can see here, the colors were not as vibrant as what I was hoping that they would be. So that is something to take into consideration if you're going to try and remake this project. You guys, I did not know I was gonna have this much fun making this though, because I felt like a kid, like I was in elementary school in art class, and you're just mixing up stuff. You don't even know what you're mixing, but you putting a little of this, a little of that, and you just creating the whole monstrosities and artworks that only look like artworks to you. Okay, y'all. So I had to look at a couple videos to figure out how to like pipe this stuff all cute like into my jar because I am not a professional. And the best analogy that I found was that you kind of want to like roll your stuff up like a burrito. Taco Tuesday. Okay. And then put it in your little piping bag and go on from there. And it should be easy peasy. Girl, let me tell you the struggle, not struggle, the struggle that I had with getting this stuff into this jar. My burrito was too stuffed, which personally, baby, I likes extra meat in my burrito, but it was not the business for getting this shea butter into this jar. So, a tip, don't overstuff your burrito. That ain't what you want. Okay? As I said earlier, my colors didn't come out as vibrant as I was hoping that they would, but I still thought that they were really cute and I love the color combo for the butter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the Glow family. And baby, we can glow up together. Until next time, bye Glow fam.